Pickup. Pickup. A small to medium-sized truck with an open cargo area at the back. The farmer used his pickup truck to transport produce from the fields. Tractor. Tractor. A powerful vehicle designed for hauling heavy loads or agricultural machinery. The tractor plowed the fields to prepare them for planting. Tow truck. Tow truck. A vehicle equipped to tow or recover other vehicles. The tow truck arrived to assist the stranded car on the highway. Fire engine. Fire engine. A specialized vehicle equipped with firefighting equipment. The fire engine rushed to the scene of the blazing building. Van. Van. A medium to large-sized vehicle used for transporting goods or people. The delivery service used vans to transport packages across the city. Cement mixer. Cement mixer. A truck with a rotating drum used to mix and transport concrete. The construction site relied on a cement mixer to prepare building materials. Tanker. Tanker. A large vehicle designed to transport liquids or gases in bulk. The tanker delivered fuel to the gas station. Tractor trailer. Tractor trailer. A combination of a tractor, front, and a trailer, rear, commonly used in long-distance transportation. The tractor trailer carried a load of goods across the country. Forklift. Forklift. A small vehicle with pronged equipment at the front, used for lifting and moving heavy loads. The warehouse workers used a forklift to stack pallets of products. Car transporter. Car transporter. A specialized truck designed to transport multiple cars at once. The car transporter delivered a shipment of new vehicles to the dealership.